So neutral?
Yeah. There you go, big one.
Hey, not a problem, not a problem. Oh, that's all right, don't worry. It's quite clear, clear right now, all right? Yeah? You're welcome anytime, all right? Take care. Hi! Oh man, this is an old man. I feel bad now. Maybe he needs help parking his car. Oh, no! Can I back this up for you? You're hitting the curb right now.
Oh. Thank you.
Absolutely. Just give me a few seconds, I'll have this car parked for you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You want to roll your window up and turn your car off?
Yeah, would you get my keys out?
Absolutely, I'll get your keys for you. There you go.
Thanks again.
Absolutely.
Have you broken down? Do you need a push? Hang on. After this white SUV goes, you want to try and turn right. Do you know which gear to be in? Do you want to put it in neutral? You're safe here, the road's blocked. Is it overheated or dead battery? Or?
नाम क्या तुम्हारा? रास्ता उसका एक चॉकलेट देता हूँ, आधी आधी खा लेंगे बच्चे मिल बांट के ना। नहीं नहीं चॉकलेट ही देनी, मैंने कौन पैसे देने हैं। ये लो आधी आधी खा लेना दोनों, ठीक है? आधी आधी ये लो चॉकलेट, वो खा लेना ठीक है, बाकी हम खाएंगे।
You okay?
It's not what? What did you
What
say?
happened? Oh, the brakes failed. But you're okay?
Yeah. Handbrake is working, yeah. But the foot brake is not working. That's why.
Oh, he's stopping. Watch out, dude. Do you reckon he's coming? Thanks for stopping, mate.